There is a way out if you're being sued by TD Bank for debt. First of all, let's discuss who is TD Bank. TD Bank is a United States subsidiary of the banking corporation Toronto-Dominican Bank in Canada. TD Bank provides credit cards for Target stores across the nation. When a cardholder can't pay their balance, TD Bank will usually go after cardholders by filing a lawsuit. One of the law firms that oftentimes handles TD Bank lawsuits is Patenaude Felix. We negotiate with Patenaude Felix often on debt settlements. A debt settlement is a negotiation between the credit card holder and the lender that the card holder will pay back a reduced amount of their debt rather than the full amount. This option is appealing to the lender because they would rather collect some of the debt owed rather than having the borrower declare a bankruptcy. A debt settlement is a way to get out of debt when you're unable to make monthly payments and have been sued by a debt collector. To defend a TD Bank lawsuit, make sure you have legal representation to fight. TD Bank uses firms like Patenaude Felix, whose sole focus is credit card lawsuits. You need an experienced debt settlement attorney with a proven track record to defend a lawsuit. Be aware of debt settlement companies opposed to debt settlement law firms. A debt settlement company can't represent you if you are sued by TD Bank. Plus, they're not held to the same ethical obligations under law as attorneys are. An experienced attorney will negotiate a TD Bank debt settlement that will get you out of debt and save you a good portion of the overall debt you owe. Make sure you find a debt lawyer who offers a free consultation. Never pay money up front for advice. For instance, our client owed TD Bank approximately $15,500 on the credit card owed to Target. When our client could not afford to pay the debt back, the account eventually got sent to Patenaude Felix to either collect or file suit. Our client eventually was sued by them and the law firm was unable to collect from her. That is when we were retained to assist her in the negotiation of the debt. Within 24 hours, we had the account settled for $6,000. Our client was able to pay this off at a rate of $500 a month for 12 months with the help of a relative. We saved our client about $9,500 on this debt and helped her avoid having to deal with a lawsuit. If you are being sued by TD Bank USA, then it's imperative that you respond to the lawsuit. If you ignore the lawsuit, a default judgment could be entered against you. This means the court files in favor of TD Bank and you owe the full amount of the debt plus legal fees incurred by the debt collection law firm. If you cannot pay the debt, then you could be subject to a bank levy or wage garnishment or even a lien against your property. Contact a debt defense lawsuit attorney who has experience fighting the big credit card companies. Our debt relief firm offers a free consultation to go over your particular debt situation and map out a plan to get you out of debt. Give me a call at 858-217-5051 to set up an appointment and visit my client success story page to see examples of how we've helped hundreds of consumers get out of debt and move on with their lives.